Why would I record you, your face? Why are you embarrassed? Has it got anything to do with that? You seem to have knocked it over a bit, Abby. Look at that! How did you manage that?
That wasn't me, I just sat here and keep a sequel.
What?
That wasn't me, I just sort of started to keep a sequel.
I thought your driving was excellent.
I didn't say it was excellent, I told you I didn't want to do it.
Right over to the bit where you tipped the Peter right over.
Your lack of communication is
Yeah.
shit though, so it's your fault.
That's alright, okay. Say goodbye.
No.
Okay, goodbye. You know you want to. Okay, bye.